A super tasty pizza without flour, ready in just a few minutes. You can even make it from leftover cooked rice, or simply cook 1/3 of a cup. That's all you need for a single portion. Take your cooked rice, add 2 eggs, salt, pepper, dried garlic, a bit of basil, and a pinch of turmeric. Mix until smooth. Heat a pan and add just 5 grams of oil. That's enough. Pour the mixture in and shape it into a thin base. Cook for a couple of minutes on one side. Flip it over. Spread a little ketchup, sprinkle oregano and paprika, add thin slices of tomato, and grate some cheese on top. Cover the pan and cook until the cheese melts completely. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you get an amazingly tasty, crispy pizza without a regular dough base. Simple, fast, and perfect for anyone who wants great taste and clean eating at the same time.